Dear students, in the previous session we discussed some application type questions related to the arithmetic progression. So in this session also we are going to solve some more problems. Now let us consider the first example. In an AP, the first term is 2, the sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 the sum of the next 5 terms. Show that the 20th term is minus 112. Go through the question clearly. Show that the 20th term is minus 112, or the question may be like this: find the 20th term, or show that the 20th term is minus 112. So here given that the first term is 2, first term means A, then the sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 the sum of the next 5 terms. Understand the question clearly. So here the first term is 2, first term means A, so A equal to 2. Then what is the next condition? The sum of the first 5 terms. But we have to show that 20th term is minus 112. 20th term, how to find the nth term? By using the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So A means first term, that is already given. What about D? Common difference. So first we have to find the common difference with respect to the given conditions. Now next, in an AP, the first term is 2, the sum of the first 5 terms. Just recall the general form of the arithmetic progression. So the general form of the arithmetic progression: a plus d, a plus 2d, so on. So this is the general form. So in that the first term A, second term a plus d, a plus 2d, then a plus 3d, a plus 4d. So these are the first 5 terms. The first 5 terms are a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d. Now the sum of the first 5 terms, sum means a plus d, then a plus d plus a plus 2d. So plus a plus 3d plus a plus 4d equal to, so this is the first part. The sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 into 1/4 the sum of the next 5 terms. So what is the next term? A plus 4d. The next term is a plus 5d plus a plus 6d plus a plus 7d plus a plus 8d plus a plus 9d. So the sum of the next 5 terms. So the next 5 terms are a plus 5d, a plus 6d, a plus 7d, a plus 8d, a plus 9d. So this is the condition. What is the question? Show that the 20th term is minus 112, or find the 20th term. We need the value of d. Now solve this one. So here the like terms: a plus a, 2a, 3a, 4a, 5a. So 5a plus d plus 2d, 3d plus 3d, 6d plus 4d, 10d. So 5a plus 10d equal to 1/4 into, so here a plus a, 2a, 3a, 4a, 5a. So 5a plus 5d plus 6d, 11d plus 7d, 18d, 26d plus 9d means 35d. So their sum is 35d. So here 1/4. Now transpose this 4 to the left hand side. 4 into 5a plus 10d equal to 5a plus 35d. Now multiply 4 into 5a, 20a plus 4 into 10, 40d equal to 5a plus 35d. So the like variables, 20a, transpose 5a to the left hand side, minus 5a equal to 35d minus 40d. 20a minus 5a, that is 15a equal to minus 5d. Once again go through the question. In an AP the first term is 2. So first term is given. What is the first term? First term is 2. Now substitute the value of a. So 15 into 2 equal to minus 5d, or 30 equal to minus 5d. So therefore d equal to 30 divided by minus 5. 5 ones are 5 6 are, so therefore d equal to minus 6. So this is the value of the common difference, d equal to minus 6 and a equal to 2. What is the question? Show that the 20th term is minus 112, or find the 20th term. So how to find the 20th term? By using the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the values. 20th term, here n equal to 20, so a 20 equal to minus a plus n minus 1 into d. A value, so a value given 2 plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1 into d value minus 6, which is equal to 2 plus 20 minus 1, 19 into minus 6, or 2 plus into minus 19 into 6, 114, so which is equal to minus 112. So this is the 20th term. So the 20th term is minus 112. So I think you understood the problem. Go through the next question. Students, in this lesson, so this is the last question. In an AP, the sum of the first 8 terms is 100 and the sum of the first 19 terms is 551. Find the AP. What is the question? Find the AP or write the AP. How to write the AP? Just recall the general form. So the general form of the AP, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, so on. To write the AP, we need the value of a as well as d. So first to find the value of a and d with respect to the conditions given. Here the two conditions are given. One is the sum of the first 8 terms is 100 and the next one is the sum of the first 19 terms is 551. So the first one, the sum of the first 8 terms. Sum of the first 8 terms. How to denote the sum? Sum is denoted as the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms means Sn. Sum of 8 terms. Sum of 8 terms is denoted as S8. So S8 equal to 100. And next one, sum of the first 19 terms. Sum of the first 19 terms is denoted as S19 equal to 551. So S8 in the form of Sn. Here n equal to 8. So the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Formula to find the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression or the sum of the first 8 terms of an arithmetic progression. So formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to find the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Now next, Sn means S8 equal to n, 8 divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, 8 minus 1 into d. Now S8 means the sum of the first 8 terms. So sum of the first 8 terms is given, that is 100. So 100 equal to 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 4 into 2a plus 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1, that is a 7d. Now here 4 is a constant term. Now transpose it into the left hand side. So 100 divided by 4 equal to 2a plus 7d. 4 ones are 4 25s are. So therefore the equation 2a plus 7d equal to 25. So this is the first equation. So the first equation 2a plus 7d equal to 25. Sum of the first 8 terms is 100 And what about the next one? Sum of the first 19 terms is 551. So the formula Sn means S19 equal to n by 2, 19 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, 19 minus 1 into d. Now sum of the first 19 terms is given. So 551 equal to 19 by 2 into 2a plus 19 minus 1, 18d, or 551 equal to 19 by 2 into, is there any common term 2a and 18d? Yeah, 2 is the common term, take outside. So 2 into a plus 9d, 2 ones are. So 551, so here 19 is the constant term. Now transpose it in the left hand side. 551 divided by 19 equal to a plus 9d, or 19 ones are, 19 29s are 551. Therefore a plus 9d equal to 29. Equation number 2. So a plus 9d equal to 29. Now solve these two equations. Equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 1, 2a plus 7d equal to 25. And next equation, so a plus 9d equal to 29. So these are the pair of the linear equations in two variables. A and d are the two variables. So that's why it is known as pair of the linear equations in two variables. Now how to solve? Eliminate any one of the variable, either a or d. Look at the coefficient. Here 2 is the coefficient, here 1 is the coefficient. To eliminate the variable, coefficient must be same. How to equalize? Multiply the second equation by 2. So the first equation, 2a plus 7d equal to 25, equation number 1. Now multiply the equation, second equation by 2, 2 into a, 2a plus 9 into 2, 18d equal to 29 into 2 means 58. Equation number 2. Now equation 1 minus equation 2, which implies, now subtract. So here plus 2a becomes a minus 2a, plus 18d becomes a minus 18d, plus 58 becomes a minus 58. Plus 2a minus 2a 0. Now plus 7d minus 18d minus 11d equal to 25 minus 58 minus 33. So therefore d equal to minus 33 divided by minus 11. 11 ones are, 11 threes are, so therefore d equal to 3. So this is the value of the common difference. What is the question? Find the AP or write the AP. D value is 3. What about A? Now substitute the value of d equal to 3 in any one of the equation. Now substitute the value of d. So the a plus 9d equal to 29, or a plus 9 into d value 3 equal to 29, or a plus 9 into 3 27 equal to 29. So therefore a equal to 29 plus 27 becomes minus 27. So a equal to 2. So this is the first term. So write the AP or find the AP. Therefore the AP is, so general form a plus d, a plus 2d, so on. Now the first term a is 2. Second term 2 plus d value 3. So 2 plus 2 into 3, so on. Or 2, 3 plus 2 5, or 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Here the common difference is 3. Now 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 3 14, so on. So 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, which are in AP because the common difference is the same. So what is the question? In an AP, the sum of the first 8 terms is 100. So the first 8 terms is 100. So this is the required AP 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 which are in AP. So I think you understood the problem. Dear students, before winding up the lesson, we shall recall what we learnt in this lesson. Arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Or arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which the difference between a term and its preceding term is a constant. That constant is known as the common difference and it is denoted as a D. And the first term of the arithmetic progression is denoted as A. And next one is very important, general form of the arithmetic progression. So general form of the arithmetic progression, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. So this is the general form of the arithmetic progression. A is the first term and D is the common difference. So how to obtain the succeeding term? By adding the constant term to the preceding term. That's why A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on is the general form. What is the last term? What is the nth term of an AP? Nth term or the general term of the AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. So that is the last term, A plus n minus 1 into D. Or nth term of an AP is given by An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula to find the nth term of an AP, number of terms in an AP, An means a general term or the nth term, A first term, n number of terms and D common difference. How to find the common difference? Second term minus first term or D equal to A2 minus A1. Next, sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is denoted as Sn. Just to recall the formula, sum of n terms of an AP, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. So Sn, sum of n terms, n number of terms, a first term, here D is the common difference. So this is the formula to find the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. And one more formula, if the first term and the last term given, if the first term and the last term given, what is the sum? Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So this is the formula to find the sum of n terms if the first term and the last term given and common difference is not given. What is the formula? Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Here n number of terms, a first term, an is the last term. And one more formula, sum of n positive integers, sum of first n positive integers. What is the formula? How to find the sum? By using the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into n plus 1. Sn equal to n by 2 into n plus 1. So this is the formula to find the sum of first n positive integers, n by 2 into n plus 1. Here n is the number of terms. Sn means sum of n terms. And one more, the relationship between nth term and sum of n terms. Nth term is an. Sum of n terms, sum of first n terms, Sn. What is the relation? So relation is Sn minus Sn minus 1 equal to an. So this is the relationship between sum of n terms and nth term. Nth term of an AP is the sum of n terms and n minus 1, their difference. The difference of the sum of n terms and sum of n minus 1 terms, which is equal to nth term. or the formula Sn minus Sn minus 1 equal to An. So these are the important formula related to arithmetic progression. You practice well, so such type of the formulas. And one more important aspect of this lesson is application type questions. Application type questions, very important. So sometimes we require certain number of terms in an AP. These ways of number of terms are generally very convenient. Suppose the number of terms is 3, we have to consider the 3 terms are A minus D, A plus D. So these are the 3 terms. The question is like this, sum of the first 3 terms and product of the first 3 terms is like this. So we have to consider A minus D, A plus D are the 3 terms. And suppose the question is number of terms is 4, sum of the first 4 terms. The 4 terms are A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Remember, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D are also in AP. And the number of terms is 5. We must consider A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D are the terms. Then the number of terms is 6. A minus 5D, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D, A plus 5D are the terms. So these are also in AP. So students, I hope you are practicing the problems daily. Practice well, and I have finished this lesson. Thank you one and all.